So the popular Roblox creator Paylee has been in drama recently. She made a video a few days ago claiming that the creator Vanel Bean said rude stuff on Discord. Paylee shows screenshots that shows Vanel Bean said horrible stuff, but the thing is, this isn't proven to be Vanel Bean's account. But the one she says is the worst is this one where she said Vanel Bean says the N-word. She also says that Vanel Bean promotes an item-selling website for Murder Mystery 2, which is against the Roblox TUZ. Vanel Bean commented on the video, basically saying that this is misinformation and that she would never do that stuff. Her comment ended up getting more likes than the actual video. She also made a video saying she met Vanel Bean, but she said this rude thing to her. You can't even curse in Roblox, and it's just really obviously edited. She also made a few videos saying Vanel Bean doesn't like Jesus, which is fake. I'm obviously on Vanel Bean's side because she never did any of this, and the evidence is really bad. Thanks for watching. Let's talk about...
Ano pa ang sinabi sa iyo ng Gloria?
Pakiusap ang presyo. Huwag kang mag-alala. Sinabi ko na sa'yo. Hindi mo naman mahalaga.
Hindi ako naniniwala sa iyo. Masyado kang mabait at ayaw mo lang siguro masaktan ako. Pero kilala ko yan si Valeria. Sigurado may masama siyang sinabi sa iyo dahil nakita kitang umiiyak ng paligid.
Hindi ko maintindihan. Kung bakit ka rin nagalit siya kay Rosalinda? Wala namang ginawa masama ang anak ko sa kanya.
Maging ikaw, Soledad. Wala ka rin namang naging kasalanan. Ako may kasalanan.
Pero ngayon, andito tayo para simulan ang solusyon. Meron po tayong ginagawa.
Himik lang ako sa mahabang panahon.
Pero ngayon, andito tayo para simulan ang solusyon. Meron po tayong ginagawa at meron po tayong magagawa. Imbis na bumaha tuwing tag-ulan, ang gagawin natin ay iipunin natin ang tubig, ipunin natin ang tubig, ipunin natin ang tubig para mapakinabangan sa panahon ng tagtuyot. Pero ngayon, andito tayo para simulan ang solusyon. Meron po tayong ginagawa at meron po tayong magagawa. Imbis na bumaha tuwing tag-ulan, ang gagawin natin ay iipunin natin ang tubig, ipunin natin ang tubig, ipunin natin ang tubig para mapakinabangan sa panahon ng tagtuyot.